proper counseling is important as it helps with situations like these, and that it can help deepen the relationships between you, your friends, your family, and your peers.
Counseling helps you get to know better and find effective solutions on your daily problems. It helps people identify issues, difficulties, and problems caused by thoughts, feelings, and emotions, and encourages them to respond and make progress towards a solution.
Counseling is important because it is improving the patient's behavior, treating mental illness, improving communication and relationship with one another, promoting self-esteem, and can reduce medical costs.
Counseling offers relief from mental health, situational, and relational problems by providing a safe environment to them. This can also prevent future mental health problems via education and intervention.